Question number 15, miscellaneous exercise 3. If alpha and beta are zeros of quadratic polynomial fx equals to x square minus px plus q, then find the value of following. First, alpha square plus beta square, and second 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Solution. Fx equals to x square px plus q. Sum of zeros given by alpha plus beta minus b by a equals to minus coefficient of b, coefficient of x, and a is coefficient of x square. So alpha plus beta minus coefficient of x is minus p, we write minus p, and coefficient of x square is 1, write 1. Alpha plus beta gives p. We say equation number first. Product of zeros, second relation, alpha into beta equals to c by a. C is constant term, and a is coefficient of x. Here constant term is q and coefficient of x is 1. So we write alpha into beta q upon 1, alpha into beta equals to q. Equation number second. First part, we find if we squaring both sides, equation number first, if we squaring both sides of equation first, we get alpha plus beta whole square equals to p square. We use identity here, alpha square beta square plus 2 alpha beta equals to p square. Here we use identity a plus b whole square, a square b square 2ab. Alpha square plus beta square as it is, and transpose plus 2 alpha beta. So we have minus 2 alpha beta in right hand side. Alpha square plus beta square equals to p square minus, we put value of alpha beta from equation second, we have q. So alpha square plus beta square equals to p square minus 2 times of q. First part complete. Second part, 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. We take LCM alpha into beta. alpha into beta divided by alpha beta, we have beta, and alpha beta divided by beta, we have alpha. Alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. We put value of alpha plus beta is P, and alpha into beta is Q. So 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta equals to P by Q. Our answer. Question number 16. If polynomial x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial x square minus 2x plus k and leaves remainder comes x plus a, then find the value of k and a. हमें दे रखा है इस पॉलिनोमियल को इस पॉलिनोमियल से डिवाइड करने पर रिमाइंडर x प्लस a रहेगा एंड देन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k एंड a. So let us start this question. Solution: x square minus 2x plus k x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. Step first. First term of dividend divided by first term of divisor. First term of dividend is x to the power 4 and first term of divisor is x square. We have x square. We write x square in quotient. We multiply x square by divisor. We have x square multiplied by x square. We have x to the power 4 minus 2x multiplied by x square minus 2x cube and x square multiplied by k plus k x square. On subtracting, we have minus 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 into minus plus plus into minus 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 plus, this term is cancelled out. Minus 6x cube plus 2x cube, we have 4x cube, and here we take x square common and write 16 minus k into x square minus 25 x plus 10 as it is. Again, step second. First term of this 4x cube divided by first term of divisor. We have minus 4x right in quotient. Minus 4x multiplied by divisor. We have minus 4 multiplied by x square minus 4x cube minus 4x multiplied by 2x plus 8x square and minus 4x multiplied by k minus 4kx. On subtracting minus, 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 minus into minus plus, plus into minus, 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 plus. This term will be cancelled out. Here 16 minus k minus 8. We have 16 minus 8, 8 minus k as it is and x square common. Minus, here we take x common and write positive term. In first we write this 4k minus 25 into x plus 10. Again, step third, 8 minus k into x square divided by x square. We have 8 minus k. 8 minus k, write in quotient 8 minus k. If we multiply 8 minus k into x square, 8 minus k x square. 8 minus k multiplied by minus 2x, we have minus 2 into 8 minus k into x. If we multiply 8 minus k into k, plus k, 8 minus k. On subtracting minus, 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 minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. This term will be cancelled out. 4k minus 25. If we multiply to this bracket, we have plus 16 minus 2k and x is common. Here plus 10 as it is, we multiply minus k, this bracket, we have minus 8k plus k square. Here remainder is this, so we write remainder plus 4k and minus 2k, 2k minus 25 plus 16 minus 9 into x plus 10 minus 8k plus k square. But remainder gives x plus a. So we write here x plus a, x plus a equals to 2k minus 9 into x plus 10 minus 8k plus k square. On comparing coefficient of x and constant, we have on comparing of coefficient of x, here coefficient of x is 1, we write 1, and here coefficient of x is 2k minus 9, and on comparing constant term, here constant term is a, and in RHS 10 minus 8k plus k square is constant. on transposition -9 in RHS, we have 10 equals to 2k, k equals to 10 upon 2, we have 5, k equals to 5. We put value of k in equation number first. A equals to 10 minus 8 into k, k is 5, plus k square, 5 का whole square. 10 minus 8 into 5 minus 40 plus 25, 25 plus 10, 35 minus 40. 35 minus 40, we have minus 5. So A equals to minus 5 and K equals to 5, our answer. Next question, 17. The area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Length of plot is 1 more than twice the breadth. Determine required quadratic equation and find the length and breadth of plot. हमें एक रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट दे रखा है जिसका एरिया दे रखा है 528. एक कंडीशन दे रखी है लेंथ उसकी ब्रेथ से 1 मोर देन ट्वाइस ऑफ ब्रेथ, 2 टाइम्स ऑफ ब्रेथ से भी 1 ज्यादा है. Question number 17. The area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Length of plot is 1 more than twice the breadth. Determine required quadratic equation. हमें quadratic equation find out करना है. Find the length and breadth of plot and length and breadth of plot find out करना. So let us start. Given rectangular plot, angular plot, area of rectangular plot, area of rectangular plot is 528 meter square. Length of plot is 1 more than twice of breadth. हमें ब्रेथ के बारे में बोल रहा है कि ब्रेथ से भी लेंथ उसके दुगने से भी 1 ज्यादा है. It means we first let breadth of plot is x meter. मीटर इसलिए यहाँ पे लिखा गया because area in meter square, so unit of breadth is also meter. Length twice the breadth, 2 times of breadth, 1 more than. Find out. First, quadratic equation. Second, length and breadth of plot. Length and breadth. Solution. Area of rectangular plot 528 मीटर स्क्वायर. आप क्या जानते हो? एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट, लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. 528. We put value of length and value of breadth. Here length is 2x plus 1, so we write length is 2x plus 1 into breadth. Breadth is x and 528 as it is. If we multiply x, 2x square plus x minus 528 equals to 0. It is quadratic equation. Second, find length and breadth. Here a equals to 2 and b equals to 1 and c equals to minus 528. We use quadratic formula to find roots of given equation. Minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We put value of a, b, c in formula. We have minus b, right? B equals to 1 plus minus 1 का square 1 minus 4, a is 2 and minus 528 upon 2a. A is 2. Minus 1 as it is plus minus 1. Minus into minus plus 8. 528 upon 4. Minus 1 as it is plus minus under root of 1. 8 8 is 64. 6 carry. 8 2 is 16. 16 or 6, 22. 2 carry. 8 5 is 40. 40 or 2, 42. Upon 4. Minus 1 plus minus, if we add 1, 4 2 2 5. Find under root of this number by shortcut method. Square of 5 is 5 and लास्ट की 2 टर्म छोड़ दीजिएगा. लास्ट नंबर रिमेनिंग नंबर इज 42 एंड नियरेस्ट स्क्वायर इज 42 is 6. Smallest 42 square root is 6, 36, so we write here 6. X equals to this. We take positive sign, taking positive sign. We have minus 1 plus 65 upon 4, 64 upon 4, 64 upon 4. 1 time and 6 time. X equals to 16. It means breadth equals to 16 meter and length equals to 2x plus 1. We put value of x. We have 2x. We put value of x here 16 plus 1, 32 plus 1, 33. So length of plot is 33 meter and breadth of plot is 16 meter. If we take negative sign, breadth gives in negative. We do not use negative sign. 18. Solve the quadratic equation x square plus 4x minus 5 equals to 0 by perfect the square method. Let us start. Say first, we make coefficient of x square is 1. Here already coefficient of x square is 1. So we write second step. In second step, we transpose constant term to RHS. So we transpose minus 5 in RHS, we have plus 5. The square of half of coefficient of x here coefficient of x is 4. Half means divided by 2 and square. So we have 4 divided by 2 and square of 2 and square of 2 is 4. Step third. Add both sides square of half of coefficient of x in step second. We have x square plus 4x plus 4 equals to 5 plus 4. Square of half of coefficient of x is 4. We add both sides in step second. We have x square plus 4x plus 4 and equals to 5 plus 4. A square 2ab plus b square gives a plus b. On comparing, here a equals to x and on comparing b square equals to 4, so b equals to 2. We put the value of a and b here. We have x plus 2 whole square and 5 plus 4 is 9. Step 4. Taking square root both the sides. X plus 2 whole square equals to 9 under root x plus 2 square root. We have x plus 2 here plus minus square root of 9 is plus minus 3. Step 5. Taking positive sign x plus 2 equals to 3, x equals to 3 minus 2, x equals to 1. Taking negative sign, we have x plus 2 equals to minus 3, x equals to minus 3 minus 2, x equals to minus 5. So required roots of quadratic equation are 1 and minus 5. Our answer.